This is the lift at next in
Mind the doors,
Romford
please.
Gallows corner. It's an Oakland Excelsior Kleeman lift. Capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos. Built in 2013. This is a Kleeman Oakland Excelsior.
Lift going down.
G.
First floor. Mind the doors, please.
Whoa, that was fast. Here we are back at G. And that's it. This is the main lift at Tesco in Romford Gallows corner. So notice Gen 2.
Going up.
Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 21 persons, 1,600 kilos, built in 2005. Back down to G.
Going down. Doors closing.
We are back at G.
Ground floor. Doors opening. Closing.
And that goes. And there's the pit. This is another lift at Tesco in Romford. Romford Gallows corner.
Closing.
It's a generic Otis. Capacity is 8 persons, 650 kilos. Modernised in 2005.
Floor 1.
Here we are at 1. Go back down to G.
Opening. Doors closing. Ground floor.
Here we are back at G.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
I think this used to be an O&K lift. And that's it.